Psalm 47. Oh, clap your hands, all you people. Shout unto Elohim with the voice of triumph. For Yahuwah Most High is terrible. He is a great king over all the earth. He shall subdue the people under us, and the nations under our feet. He shall choose our inheritance for us, the excellency of Jacob, whom he loved. Selah. Elohim is gone up with a shout, Yahuwah with the sound of a trumpet. Sing praises to Elohim. Sing praises unto our King. Sing praises. For Elohim is the King of all the earth. Sing ye praises with understanding. Elohim reigneth over the heathen. Elohim sitteth upon the throne of his holiness. The princes of the people are gathered together, even the people of the Elohim of Abraham. For the shields of the earth belong unto Elohim. He is greatly exalted.